because I'm traveling domestically, I've bought the lightest possible tripod I can bring. On my travels, and every kilo can count. Anyone who travels with their gear will know, even if you're traveling with the lighter mirrorless gear, it still adds up in kilos. And I'm traveling with the Canon 90D, a lot of DSLRs of a similar weight, and I've got the 35mm lens. And this tripod is solid enough, as long as I don't extend it fully out. If I lift the center column right up, that can get a bit extreme. But this tripod is solid enough to do the job. While I would like a much more solid one ideally, it does the job nicely. So I'll get some shots. It's a nice straightforward scene in the park, nice light coming in, but I've got some traffic in the background there, cars passing. What I'm going to do is pop on this 10-stop ND filter, and that'll slow the shutter speed down enough so that if there's any traffic, it'll become such a blur that it doesn't feature. But I'll have a choice then of the different type of shots. So I've put on the neutral density filter, but now as a result, what I want to do is I want to use this physical remote control so I can use mirror lockup so there's no vibration, especially with the lighter tripod that I'm traveling with. With a really strong tripod, you can get away with it more, but not always. I still do use it on various occasions, many occasions. But because it's a lighter tripod, I'm going to use this physical cable release that just plugs into the side of the camera. And I'll use mirror lockup. But mirror lockup, remember, mirror lockup can only be used when you're not in preview mode. If you're in preview mode, mirror lockup won't work. And if you come out of preview, first click is the mirror, second click is the exposure. Don't get fooled thinking that first click you're taking the shot. You're not, you've just lifted the mirror. So I'll plug this in and get a couple of shots. So to find the mirror lockup, you've got the red camera icon, and you come across and you just use this wheel to slide across, and in this case you're looking for number 5. Come down here to mirror lockup, just using the wheel. Got enable on. That's preview mode. Now I'm going to come out of preview mode. I'm out of preview mode now. I'm going to click the shutter on the camera, so now the mirror's locked up. Now I come along with the physical remote, click it, move it up so that the shutter is open. I'm on bulb mode. To release the shutter, I'm just putting up the physical remote. I just slide it down with the thumb and the mirror closes. Let's have a look. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you are interested in longer exposures, specifically for seascapes, but of course for other landscapes, etc., do check out my 5-day free email series. I'll leave a link in the description. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so you can check out all future videos. Thanks for watching.